Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I am back with another trading video. All right, in this video, I'm going to give my update for my bias for the week of Sunday, August 20th, as well as my daily bias for Tuesday, August 22nd. All right, so here, let's start on the weekly here. Push back up to the weekly time frame. All right, so here we are right here for this week right here. All right, looking at this week right here. All right, so currently we've come down a little bit, right, and then we've pushed up for Monday. Okay, as in my earlier video, I told you guys, because last week's candle right here closed below the low of this week's candle, right? I'm looking for I'm bearish a little bit for the weekly, as far as a weekly draw on liquidity. All right, and I marked out some weekly draws on liquidity here. All right, so the first draw on liquidity should actually be the low of last week. So let me put that in really quick. All right, that should have been my first draw on liquidity for the week. Let's go to the sell side, weekly sell side draw on liquidity. I'm gonna lock that in. All right, so it should have been this low right here. All right, now I am bearish for the week. However, because of market manipulation and just how things work, typically if you're bearish, sorry about that, camera's going off, but typically if you're bearish, you want Monday, Tuesday to be bullish, even possibly Wednesday, and look for a Wednesday reversal to go ahead and take out your bearish draw on liquidity. So far so good. All right, so let's drop down to the daily so we can get our daily draw on liquidity as well. I'm gonna, let's see, let me see, I'm just gonna try to get this out of the way. Nope. Here, guys, just bear with that. I'm currently in a trade, but this is Monday's candle right here. You guys see my cursor going up and down? This is Monday, August 21st candle right here. Okay, so we see Monday, August 21st, it closed above, right, Friday's high, right, which was a draw, a daily draw on liquidity for me. If you go back and watch my other video, you'll see. All right, and I changed this to black just to show that the liquidity target was hit. All right, so now because Monday closed above, right, Friday's high, what I am expecting, all right, now I'm gonna update my draw on liquidity here. All right, so for the daily, all right, my first target is going to be Monday's high. All right, let me find the daily draw on liquidity for the buy side right there. All right, I'm gonna lock it in. All right, so I'm looking for Tuesday's candle to come up into here. That's my draw on liquidity. All right, now and again, that is because Monday closed. So it doesn't mean it's going to keep going like this. I'm just expecting price to at least come up here and sweep up here. Okay. Let's see, what else did I want to share? I mean, that's pretty much it. So I'll be targeting Monday's high, right? I'll also be targeting the high for Thursday. And the reason why I'm targeting that is because this created and this is Thursday of last week, this created a fair value gap between Tuesday. All right, so you got Tuesday's candle right here, Wednesday's candle right here, and Thursday's candle. So it created a fair value gap. So that's why I'm targeting here. More than likely, it'll probably go into the consequent encroachment of the FVG, which is basically the 50% of the FVG. But it may go push up in here, but I'm looking for low-hanging fruit, so I'm targeting again Thursday, August 17th high, right? as one of the daily biases. So again, I will be looking tomorrow. I'll be looking for buys. So again, if I'm up, like I said in my last video, I'm pretty much just looking for the silver bullet setups with ICT, because it's just, those are just, it's just so, it is just really easy, guys. And I'll do a breakdown video, but the silver bullet setup is really easy. What I like to do is go on the 15-minute and see what the trend has been, or the market flow up into the silver bullet time period. And then I typically like to look for fair value gaps that will continue into the direction of the market, unless I get like a market structure shift or something like that. So I was very successful. I missed out on the London silver bullet time window, but I did catch New York AM and New York PM, and my trades worked out really good. I'm also, if you guys don't know, I'm also hanging out in Trading Bay's um, Discord group. It is a fire Discord group. I love being a part of the group. It's just so much encouragement, so much knowledge that is shared there, and it's just awesome. So if you guys ever get an opportunity, just YouTube Trading Bay, and pretty much in all of her videos, she has a link to her Discord, and just let her know that B Childs, or the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community sent you. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. That is going to be my bias. I'll show you guys the trade that I'm currently in, all right, off of the PM silver bullet setup, ICT silver bullet setup, so you guys can see. I know it may seem a little convoluted for you guys, but I'm pretty much how I do is once I enter into a trade, I look for manipulation, and I set up my projection fib. And so whenever price gets to one standard deviation, I take 50% profit and 50% risk off. All right, once it reaches to 1.5 standard deviations, all right, I take 100% risk off, and I move my stop loss into profit by 1 pip. Okay. So, and then I pretty much will let the rest run to like a draw on liquidity, or at least to 4 standard deviations. And I'll kind of look left to see if there are any PD arrays that may line up with the 4 standard deviations that may cause price to reverse. So if I come up here to the 15-minute, all right, if you look here at the 15-minute, I'm just spreading this out so you guys can see. All right, so here's my 4 standard deviation right here, this blue line right here. If we come across, we see that it is inside of a 15-minute fair value gap, right? As well as we do have a 15-minute swing high right here, as well as sorry about that. As well as, yeah, I would consider this a breaker, because it took out liquidity, right? And then we had a market structure shift here. So we have a breaker, we have a fair value gap, we have a 15-minute swing high. So it's very possible price could maybe not totally reverse there, but pull back there, because we do have this drawing liquidity that price could reach up to. So yeah, that's pretty much how I manage my trade, guys. As well as far as risk management, I just use half of 1% of whatever the whole dollar number is. And from week to week, I deposit anywhere between $100 to $200 into my trading account. So if I have $100, then I enter my trades at 50 cents. Or if I have $200, then I enter my trade at $1, and at the end of the week, take whatever profit I have, because I am focusing on saving my money and stocks, all right, retirement, all that good stuff, and paying off debt. Yeah, I know that I can do a trading challenge and trade with other people's money, but for me, for whatever reason, guys, it's just, I've tried like 2 or 3 trading strategy challenges with my Forex funds, and for whatever reason, it's just like, I don't know, my psychology gets, I don't know, it's my mental. It's just, I don't know, for whatever reason, I just don't do well with them. So I'm just having to change my financial game. You know what I'm saying? I'm not so much focused on, day trading right now. Right now, once I get some things situated, then yeah, I get my mind cleared. I'm kind of still dealing with my mom's death. All right, it'll be a year next month, so I'm just dealing with a lot, guys. But anyway, that's TMI. But one day, yeah, I'll get into trading other people's money or just putting more money into the account. But right now, I'm focused on some other financial goals that I got going on. All right, but anyway, nevertheless, you can still learn a lot from this channel, guys. So yeah, join Trading Bay's trading group, her Discord. You'll catch me in there, and I'm always sharing my setups. And let me see if I could share with you guys. I'll show you guys. Oops, it turned sideways here. Yeah. Anyway, I was just gonna share with you guys my trades for today. I don't know if you guys may have to turn your thing, but you can see here where I deposited a little more than $100 here, 105. And so my profit for the day was $3.85. But here are my trades. But all wins, just taking partial profits and stuff like that. But anywho, full transparency, guys, I don't care. But anyway, so that is what it is. And yeah, I will do a breakdown on the Silver Bullet setup for you guys, so you guys can kill that too, and kind of get my perspective on it and see how I'm being successful at trading it. Now, this is only my second time. I've only traded it twice. Nope, I take that back. I've traded it 3 times, and 2 out of the 3 times I have had successful trades. But the very first time I took it, I did not take the full market context into consideration. And once I did that, as far as market order flow and direction, it was spot on. So, all right, guys, I've rambled on enough. Just wanted to share with you guys my daily buys. So Tuesday, August 22nd, 2023, I will be looking for buy setups unless my daily draws on liquidity are taken out and I get a market structure shift on the 15-minute, and then I will start looking for sales. All right, I'm still bearish for the week as a whole, but as of right now, I am taking buys until the market shows me otherwise. So, all right, guys, I hope this has been helpful and insightful. And until next time, always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And my number one tip, be patient, wait for your setups, and wait for confirmation before you enter into your trade. All right, guys, until next time, you guys take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye. If I can stop the video. All right, bye.